Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix component MSComctl.Ocx. First, understand that this file is crucial for many applications, and errors often stem from it being missing or improperly registered. We'll cover the steps to get it working again, ensuring your programs run smoothly. It's a common issue, but thankfully, it's usually straightforward to resolve with the right approach. To register the OCX file, begin by opening Command Prompt as an administrator. You can find it by searching in your Start menu, then right-clicking and selecting Run as administrator. Once open, type regsver32 MSComctl.Ocx and press Enter. You should receive a confirmation message indicating successful registration, which is a great sign that the problem is on its way to being fixed. If registration doesn't immediately solve the issue, consider a few troubleshooting steps. First, verify that the MSComctl.Ocx file is actually present in the correct system folder, typically System32 or SysWOW64. Sometimes, multiple versions can cause conflicts, so check for duplicates. Reinstalling the problematic program can also replace a corrupted file, often resolving the error effectively. For more persistent problems, try running a system file checker scan by typing sfc/scano in an administrative command prompt. This tool can repair corrupted system files. Also, ensure your operating system is fully updated, as updates often include fixes for component issues. And hey, while you're optimizing things, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.